finished up yoga with my new mat. Takeaways, I see where some people say online that it's a little bit slippery. I do see where they're talking about that, but I can tell that it's just because it's a new mat and that it'll come, the stickiness will like wear off. And I'm just gonna address this right here. I did manage to fall on my face, not even in the yoga studio. I was messing around with friends outside of the studio and fell on my head trying to do a tree pose. Use your yoga mat, friends. Don't just be messing around on the wood floors. Anyways, loved the yoga mat. Can't wait to try it again. It was a hot class. I think it was 95 at the hottest. And I didn't try the yogi towels because I wanted to try the mat without it, but I could definitely see how the towel would be helpful in a hot class like that. So I'm excited for the next class that I take. That's a hot one, to try out the towel and see how that goes. I didn't get a towel that is as big as the mat. I got the standard size towel, and my mat, you know, was like the extra large for like the extra long person that I am. I did really nothing fun over the 4th of July, but I've had this entire week off from Walmart and this weekend. This weekend I'm going to my parents' camper with a friend, and I need to get some snacks. I won't be in town obviously then to do my normal Saturday shopping, so I figured I'll just do it today. Anticipating this to like develop to be a little bit more purplish bruising, maybe the side of my nose, maybe the bottom of my chin. We're just gonna ignore that. I'm trying to be a more coordinated person, and well, we need a lot of work in that area. We're headed up to Dunkin'. Do I need another coffee? No, I already had one this morning at the little local place by the yoga studio, but that's fine. 10:30 and it's only 66 degrees. Like, I can't even remember the last time I was comfy in a sweater. My hash browns are falling out. They always look crispy, but then they're just soggy. But the usual, butter pecan is life. I left my coffee in the car because I'm hoping that this will be a quick TJ Maxx trip. I also need to use the bathroom, and I didn't want to bring my coffee into the bathroom. Nothing new and exciting in Syrupland. Told you guys before, I'm in my skort era. Like, for a school that doesn't have air conditioning, like, I feel like this is my now go-to summer wear. So I'll throw this bag in my car, and then we're gonna go to Home Goods and see if they have any fun water toys for the lake this weekend. I love a nice cloudy day. It's so beautiful out. So these little things right there are so good for keeping your teacher manual books like upright and not falling into each other. If you need some, Walmart has them too. So far, I'm getting this. I haven't found any syrups or anything really interesting yet. Athletic clothes and shoes, that's what we look at. Nothing good in athletic clothes land. We saw these last week. And then the leopard print also. Cute, cute. Oh, my Lanta. I would totally rock those. Not my size, but they're cool. Or those are cute. Life is unfair. Nothing there, and that's okay. I've also been on the lookout for a yoga mat bag, and I have one in my Amazon cart right now, actually, amongst other things like a pickle strainer, but I haven't bought it yet just because I'm waiting for Amazon Prime Day to see if it goes lower. I don't think I've ever actually seen a yoga mat bag in store. Because right now I have like the stretchy straps that go around the yoga mat and then you can just like carry it. But I'm coming to the realization that I have a lot of other random things that I carry in. It'd be nice to have a bag that would carry the yoga mat and the things that go with it. Especially now that that yoga mat is so heavy. There's nothing else shopping wise that I want to look at besides food. So we're gonna go to Hy-Vee to get a little food, and then I think we'll get Chipotle again. I'm still kind of in my Chipotle fascination, I guess you could say. The forehead is developing a little bit, but it's fine. It really feels normal unless I touch it, so don't touch it, Monica. I'm gonna try out a different side of town's Dollar Tree. I would love some Alani Nu Witch's Brew. I keep seeing people on Instagram that have found it at theirs. Very jealous. This Dollar Tree is much bigger than my normal one. I I've never seen this before. Let's see it. Just see if we like it. And then we're gonna get another one of this blue because I really like that flavor in like that cupcake one I made in my last video. So we just finished up at the Dollar Tree, and then I went into Harbor Freight and did not film because I wanted to be in and out as fast as possible because Harbor Freight and I, you know, we're not familiar with each other. What is that? Oh, it's a little drawer system, only $20, and it's pretty big. I want to reorganize my water packets. So we're gonna go to Hy-Vee tomorrow to do our grocery food shopping, and then we'll get some breakfast there too, because they have really good breakfast. So I decided that. Let's go get some Chipotle. I'm gonna get a large Campfire mocha cooler.
Large Campfire mocha cooler, any extra shots?
Nope.
What else can we get for you?
That's it. Thank you. And this was like my go-to for the longest time after they discontinued the berry white mocha cooler, and that was like college, so 10 years ago. And a cooler is kind of like a frappuccino version of the Caribou coffee life. Somebody did not come at their assigned time, because otherwise it is so quick to get your burrito in the burrito lane. But I get a steak bowl. This is what it looks like. I don't know, very s'mores-like tasting. Sometimes if I remember, I ask for no little marshmallows on top, because once they get into the drink, then they kind of can get stuck in the straw, and then you're like, I don't know, trying to suck up what feels like a bug in your drink, but really it's a slightly soggy marshmallow. So here's the before with my water cup. For reference, it's pretty tall. I was kind of hoping it would fit right here on my drawer. Oh my goodness, my little packet sealer, it fits in there. This is awesome. Happy Friday, July 7th. Just stopped by Caribou because I have a problem. It's fine. We're in the Big Lots parking lot right now. I want to go in and look for Welch's Strawberry Peach, which is one of my favorite flavor packets, and for some reason I can never find it at an actual store. I can only find it at Big Lots, which I don't consider a food place, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna buy a couple boxes of it and check out the Sterilite container situation. Maybe they've gotten more in. I feel like Walmart's goal is always just set back to school and back to college after July 4th, so maybe Big Lots is in that same mindset. But before we do that, let us recap the face. So yes, that's a little bit of a bruise there, a little bit of a bruise there, and a little baby black eye. I was doing the tree pose outside of the actual studio, so just like in the waiting area, kind of messing around with friends. Tree pose, which are like this, one leg, holding my cup, and I like was falling forward, tried to catch myself, jammed my cup in the straw, so I actually have a little like circular bruise right here where the straw was. Into my face and fell face first onto the floor. I'm fine. This happens all the time. I'm a tough cookie. We're going to yoga again tomorrow morning. But anyways, we're at Big Lots looking for drink packets, and we're going to Hy-Vee getting some snacks because I'm going to the camper this weekend with a friend. Snacks and then packing for the campground. Woo woo! It's definitely getting to be more back to schoolish. I do love that purple color, but nothing that I'm looking for so far. But if you're looking for library bins, like these would be wonderful. It's similar to the ones that I have. But the problem is, if you get ones like this, it's not gonna be the same colors year after year. And then like book bins, like this is very similar to what I have for my classroom library, but it's not the same. Luckily I got black, so I could stock up, but like this is really cute. I love this color, but I don't exactly know what I would do with it. That's the problem. I don't have a plan. So I got 3 boxes of these, and what's nice is these ones are only $1, so actually cheaper than the Dollar Tree, and there's 6 in a box. And I'll be honest, I usually go through at least 2 little drink pouches of the Strawberry Peach a day because it is my favorite right now. The funfetti recipe that I've been making has actually overtaken wedding water as my favorite water recipe. Okay, it sounds really odd, but I'm gonna try the lemonade. I've had the brand before. Lesser Evil is a pretty good popcorn brand. New flavors? Okay. Just get one of each to try. Normally, I'm a caramel cashew and a cookies and cream girl. I tried them once in my Barbella box. That's how I got to know them. But I know some people have codes for them. But yeah, you can get them in a lot of grocery stores. I also really like these. And I like these. And that's the protein powder I like. That's $10 cheaper at Walmart. Although cinnamon toast does sound good, and Walmart doesn't have that flavor. I always come to Hy-Vee before like fun car trips because the candy selection is unreal. If you're a special education teacher and you have lots of large puzzles, this is what I use for my large classroom puzzles, especially the wooden ones, because then the pieces aren't everywhere and they actually fit. So I think I just had my most unproductive day of the summer. I would say the majority of my days I'm at Walmart, or I'm doing classroom setup things, or working for the YMCA. I did my little bit of shopping, had Dairy Queen for lunch, and then took a nap, and then I edited a video, but I scheduled it, so I didn't really do anything, and I did it all from my bed. I'm running to my parents to get a package, and then I'm going to the gym, but I almost didn't even go to the gym because I realized, you know, I had peanut butter toast for breakfast, I had Dairy Queen for lunch, it's 4 o'clock now, I've had like practically no protein or anything remotely healthy today, so in like the gym mind, I'm like, is it even worth it to go? Like, should I just skip it? But I didn't go to the gym yesterday. And in the yoga class I took yesterday was in like a chiller one, and I didn't feel like I really gotten my workout in. And then the head thing happened. So yeah, we're going to the gym, even though it feels like it's been the most unproductive day ever. And in all actuality, I was hoping today would be a very productive day. Because I'm going to the lake tomorrow, right? This is a pack with me video for the lake. And have I done any packing or prep work? No, pretty much zero. I need to paint my nails. My toenails could use some love. And I haven't done anything. And it's 4 o'clock. So, Gymshark is having a sale, and I've never ordered from them before. I finally decided to try some of their clothing, only the really cheap stuff, because I don't want to pay $40 for a pair of biker shorts when I can get the same thing at Shein for like $5 or Walmart for like 15. I mean, I don't really care that much about the brand. I care about the colors and the patterns. I'm so bad at showing you my address all the time. All these videos. Let me just get this situated. So I browsed the sale, and I always sort by lowest price to highest price. Like, I'm a typical middle class teacher. We can't afford for highest price to lowest price. And I ended up with two things, and shocking, they're kind of a pink. Again, purple is my favorite color, but I buy a lot of pink for some reason. So that's softer than I thought it would be. Okay, so I got this little Gymshark tank top in a medium. Am I gonna regret not getting a large? I don't know. The little strappies are not adjustable. It is double lined, but it doesn't have the shelf bra. And I like the ones, I have a Calvin Klein that's pretty similar to this. I wore a couple weeks ago, that it's a little bit more of a neon orange, and it has the lining, the shelf bra in it, so then you can wear it by itself. I don't think I can get away with wearing this by itself, but we'll wear it to yoga tomorrow. We'll figure out the situation. And then this is something, I have a couple very similar items. It's a cropped long sleeve, and I want to like these, but I get too hot, but I also sometimes get too cold. Like in the middle of summer, you'll never catch me in these because I get too hot even with the gym being air conditioned. But, you know, Wisconsin, it can get down to like -20. I could wear this to the gym and be feeling okay. And I only have two. I have one from Shein, and I have one from Walmart from the Love and Sports line. So one of these days, on a nice chilly rainy day, I'm going to try this out. Didn't get the matching bottoms because I have plenty of things that are in this kind of like reddish shade. And I got that in a medium as well. And that's it. They had some cheap leggings and fun patterns, but I've said this before, I have a million pairs of leggings. I do not need more. And I paid $20 for the little tank top and $13 for the long sleeve. Does that make sense that this is more fabric and it's cheaper? No, but that's just how life is. Goose, are you gonna help get it? Nope. Come on, Goose, grab it. The mom's right there. Where's the...